everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग रीजनिंग की क्लास करने वाले हैं जो कि सीरीज़ की क्लास है और ये क्लास आपका 175 क्लास है। 174 क्लासेस हम ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं सीरीज़ रीजनिंग की अगर हम बात करते हैं। एंड सीरीज़ का भी फर्स्ट क्लास हम कर चुके हैं, ये थोड़ा सा लेट मैंने भेजा है सेकेंड क्लास सीरीज़ का, सो प्लीज़ गो थ्रू विद दैट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर मैं बात करती हूँ रीजनिंग में, तो रीजनिंग में ही हमने सबसे पहले जो डिस्कस किया है वो एनालॉजी टॉपिक डिस्कस किया है। उसके बाद हमने क्लासिफिकेशन किया है, सीरीज़ कॉम्पिटिशन किया है, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग किया है, ब्लड रिलेशन किया है, पजल टेस्ट किया है, सिक्वेंशियल आउटपुट ट्रेसिंग किया है, डायरेक्शन सेंस टेस्ट किया है, लॉजिकल वेन डायग्राम किया है, अल्फ़ाबेट टेस्ट किया है, एंड देन नंबर रैंकिंग टाइम सीक्वेंस टेस्ट किया है, मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन किया है, देन लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस ऑफ वर्ड्स किया है, अरिथमेटिक रीजनिंग किया है, इंसर्टिंग द मिसिंग कैरेक्टर, डेटा सफिशिएंसी, डिसीजन मेकिंग, assertions and reason, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement that what we had discussed about it. In the logic reasoning की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमने लॉजिक कंप्लीट किया है, स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट किया है, स्टेटमेंट अजम्पशंस किया है, स्टेटमेंट कोड्स ऑफ एक्शन किया है। उसके बाद हमने डिराइविंग कंक्लूजन फ्रॉम द पैसेजेस किया है, थीम डिटेक्शन किया है, क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट किया है, मिसलिनियस लॉजिकल पजल्स किया है। अब इसके बाद हम जो कर रहे हैं जो कि सीरीज़ टॉपिक कर रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी अगर मैं इस टॉपिक की बात करती हूँ तो ये 30th टॉपिक है, 31th टॉपिक है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द सब्सक्राइबर, प्लीज़ गो थ्रू विद द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So let's start with the series, and we have to continue with the question number 27 in the series here, as we had completed 26th question of the series in the last class. So we'll go ahead with the 27th question of the session here, that is the problem figure and the answer figure here. The problem figure we have A, B, C, D, E is is an arrow here, then downwards and upward, then downward as well, and then of course upward, and in the next figure you have to find it out. And for the answer figure here that we have, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this is A, B, C, D, E. This has been asked in the BSRB question paper, so that is very important in respect to the competition wise here. In the regard of it, all the arrows get inverted in each of the step, and the position is interchanged between the first and the second and the third and third and the fourth arrows sequentially. So the process is repeated to continue for the series. And as you can see here, for the fourth figure, the position is that the position has been changed, and this from 1 and 2. So the figure fourth will be the right answer for this question. So we'll go ahead with the fourth figure, that will be the right answer here. Let's go ahead with the 20th question of the session, and that is your problem figure here. As you can see, this is an A figure, B figure, C figure, D figure, E figure, and the next figure we have to find it out. Here it starts from waves, it starts from here, and it is colored, and then after that is from downward and colored, then in between, then of course in above, and then of course the pattern has been following that here. And for the answer figure here, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here simultaneously, and in that the wave pulses reverses their phases in each of the subsequent figure, and the dark pulse processes by one step after every two figure. So in the regard of it, after the E figure, the answer would be the figure 4. That will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the 29th question of the session. As you can see, the problem figure here and the answer figures here. So A, B, C, D, E, and these were the problem figures, and these were the answer figures, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So in the reference towards this, that one of the shaded portions moves in the clockwise and one in the anti-clockwise direction, and for that, after this, we will be having the answer that will be the right answer, that is the figure 4. It will be the right answer for this question. So we'll go ahead with the figure 4 here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is your 30th question of the session. As you can see here, in the reference towards the 30th question, the problem figure we have is, that is your circle, then multiply equals to then of course the triangle, and then we have another one for the B figure, that is multiply, circle, triangle and square, rectangle, and then of course rectangle as circle and multiply as that is rectangle, multiply and C, and then C After that C, star, triangle, rectangle and S here. So in this is about the subsequent problem figures A, B, C, D, E, and in the figure of the answer figure, this has been asked in the bank view, and in the figure 1, the star, C, arrow and a rectangle, then star, C, S and arrow. For the second figure, the third figure, star, C, S and rectangle, rectangle, C, star and arrow, and C, S, C, arrow and star. In reverse towards each and every question, the upper symbol interchanges the position with the symbol in the lower left corner, and the remaining two symbols interchange position, and the symbols that reaches the lower right corner gets replaced by a new one. And in the next step, the upper symbol interchanges the position with the symbol in the lower right corner, and the other two symbols interchange the position, and the symbols that reaches the lower left corner gets replaced by the new one, and the process repeats itself. And for that sake, after the E that we will be having the answer, that is the figure 2 will be the right answer. So that we'll go ahead with the figure 2 here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 31st question of the session and the problem figure, and here it's the answer figures here. So in the problem figure, that is A, B, C, D, E, and that is here it is dotted, then inside, then outside, then inside, then outside, then inside. And in the answer figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here simultaneously, that is in the figure 1 is inside, outside, inside, inside and inside, and you have to go through with that कि कौन सा वाला figure that will be suited here. And for that sake, it is outside, so it is much pretty sure that the next figure should be it could be inside here, because it is outside. So that is outside, inside, outside, inside and inside, outside. And of course the inside will be the pattern that is follows, but inside में कहाँ पे होगा? And for that sake outside वाला ये वाला तो नहीं होना चाहिए, and for that sake we will be having upon 1, 3, 4, 5 में से को भी. So here the main figure rotates one step anti-clockwise in each of the turn, and the dot moves one step clockwise in each turn, and also gets inside the outside and the main figure alternatively here. So in respect towards it, we'll go ahead and that the answer will be in when it moves, it will be in the clockwise and in the inside. So that will be the figure 4 will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is your 32th question of the session here. Here the 32th question of the session, the problem figure and the answer figures as follows, and this has been asked in the BSRB question paper here. So this is a A figure, this is a B, this is C, D, E, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 simultaneously. This is a problem figures from A to E, and this is answer figure from 1 to 5. In respect towards each and every question, the line inside the smaller circle gets outside and inside the circle alternatively, and also moves 45-degree clockwise in each step. And the T outside the larger the circle gets inside and the outside the circle alternatively, and moves 45-degree anti-clockwise in every second step, and is replaced by the other symbol by every second step. So the lines between the two circles moves 45-degree anti-clockwise in each step, and an extra line is added to each time. In the regard of it, we'll go on through with that, and the figure that will be the right answer would be the option that is the figure 2 will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that we'll have another question, that is your 33rd question of the session. And as you can see, the problem figure here, that is your problem figure is A, B, C, D and E, and these were the answer figure, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And so here this is in rectangle, triangle, there is a circle, and that is a parallelogram shaded region. Then parallelogram है, फिर circle है, उसके बाद inside a rectangle है, then a triangle है. Then of course these were the figures comes inside one on another, and in the answer figure you have to search it out and you have to find it out कौन सा वाला figure होगा. So here the inner black figure, that is that is replaced by the outermost figure, and a new black figure appears at the center in each step. So here with reference towards it, after the E figure, the answer would be your answer figure, that is your third figure will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 34th question of the session. And as you can see in the 34th question of the session here, that is the problem figure we have is your A, B, C, D, E, and then in the answer figure we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This has been asked in the BSRB question paper. So in reference towards it, in the figure, that the figure rotates 45 degree anti-clockwise in each step, and in one step the first and the third one rotate 90 degree anti-clockwise, and in the next step all of the arc rotates 90 degree anti-clockwise. The process repeats itself, and so for that sake, after the E figure we will be having a fourth figure that will be the right answer for this question here, and that for that sake we will be having a fourth figure will be the right answer for the question here. So here let's go ahead with the 35th question of the session here, and in the reference towards each and every individual question, you have to be very careful while solving these particular questions. So here we'll go ahead with the 35th question of the session here, that is the problem figure and the answer figure. In the case of the problem and the answer figure, this has been asked in the NABARD question paper, which is very important if terms of the competition wise. And here we have an A figure, B figure, C figure, then D, and then of course E figure, and then after that we have an answer figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. So as you can see here, there is a circle, फिर circle के अंदर rectangle, फिर triangle, फिर triangle के अंदर rectangle, फिर rectangle. तो अगला figure तो of course rectangle होना चाहिए, उसके अंदर कोई different figure होना चाहिए. तो rectangle के case 1, 2, 3 and 4 figures है, तो इन 4 figures में से कोई होगा, second वाला तो नहीं बनता. In the reference towards particular question here, pre-existing figure जो enlarge करता है, so here in the reference towards it, if I'm talking about here with each and every one, if I'm talking about the pre-existing figure that enlarge a new figure and enclose inside it, while in the next step in the outer figure is lost, and for that sake we can say that the option that will be the answer, fourth figure will be the right answer in this question, and so that will go on ahead with the figure 4 here. Let's go ahead with the 36th question of the session, that the problem figure we have and the answer figure we have. In the terms of the problem figure, this is a problem figure A, this is B, this is C, then D, and then of course E, and for the answer figure this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. In the same case you can see that here is a circle, then after the circle के बाद छोटा वाला circle, then 1 this, 1, then 2, then this is a sort of making a sort of a cat here, as if I'm considering about. So a new feature is added at each and every step, and here after E, that we can say that the next figure that will be the similar to it will be the figure that will should be the figure 4, and so for that sake we can say that the fourth will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 37th question of the session. The problem figure and the answer figures we have, and this has been asked in the BSRB question paper. In the problem figure, if I'm talking about, this is an A figure, this is B, C, D, and of course E, and in the terms of answer figure, this is 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and then of course 5. In the terms of it, एक line है, उसके बाद एक line में cover है, then dot है, then here dot, then of course this and third dot, and then of course this is a 4 dot. तो in respect to the dots की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो next figure में 5 dots होना चाहिए, एंड पहले इधर इंक्रीज़ कर रहा है लेफ्ट साइड, फिर आपका राइट साइड इंक्रीज़ कर रहा है, तो ये चीज़ को भी हमें कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. इन द रेफरेंस टुवर्ड्स पर्टिकुलर दिस पैटर्न व्हाट दे आर फॉलोइंग, तो 1 डॉट एंड 1 लाइन सेगमेंट इज एडेड टू इन ईच स्टेप, एंड फॉर दैट सेक वी विल गो अहेड विद अ फिगर दैट विल बी योर, दैट इज द थर्ड फिगर विल बी द राइट आंसर for this question here. So we'll go ahead with the third figure here. Let's go ahead with another one question, and that what we have is your problem. This is the 38th question of the session. In respect to the 38th question of the session here, there are the following problem figures and as well as the answer figure as well. So here we have, this is an A figure problem, B and then C, D and then of course E. आंसर फिगर में आते हैं 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है and of course 5 है. In the regard of it, each and every question in reference toward it, each step the figure rotate 90 degree clockwise and a new type of an arrow displays, and the last arrow or the displaced arrow displaces a new arrow, and in this way all the arrows are displaced, and for that sake after this we'll be having a figure that will be the third figure will be the right answer. So you can just gone through with that the figure third in the answer figure here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 39th question of the session. This is for the problem figure and these were the answer figure here, and this has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and for that sake the figure A we have as plus, then a rectangle, C, then shaded a circle, then a triangle, then S. Then for the B figure we have plus S C and then a rectangle and then triangle, then colored circle. For the C figure, a triangle S plus a rectangle C and colored C. And for the D here, a triangle, colored circle plus S C and rectangle. And then for the E figure, C, that is shaded circle, triangle, S plus and rectangle here. For the answer figure here, this is plus rectangle, C, colored shaded circle, triangle and S. This is one figure. Second figure here, plus a shaded circle, C, S, a triangle and a rectangle. Third figure is C, triangle and then rectangle, then triangle, shaded circle and plus and then S here. For the fourth, C, S, triangle, rectangle, plus and circle. And for the fifth figure, we have an S, triangle, plus and then shaded C and then triangle here. In respect to each and every question here, where we can say that in one of the step symbols moves in an order that it will goes from one to another one, and in the next step the symbols moves in the order opposite to the direction. So the two steps are repeated alternatively कि mid वाला जो है वो पहले इधर चला जाएगा, like a sort of like this, ये इस तरह से गया, and that ये वाला जो था वो ये इधर चला गया, sort of like this, and this is a rotation. उसके बाद फिर वो alternatively move करने लगा sort in different directions. This will be happening. So this is a sort of a pattern is following in alternative position. So in the regard of it, the next after this we will be having an answer, and that will be the answer for the third figure. That will be the right answer. So we'll go ahead with the third figure here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is your 40th question of the session, as you can see here. In the case of the 40th question, this is a problem figure and this is an answer figures here. In the reference to verses, this is a problem figure where three arrows are from right to left, and this is A figure. And for the B figure, this is as well, this is a dot line and an arrow figure. Then of course the arrow and dot line are considering, then D figure and then E figure. For the answer figure, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here the arrows and the dotted lines were following one alternated step here. In one of the steps of the pins get inverted and replaced by the arrow, and in the next step one of the arrows get inverted and replaced by a pin. The two steps are repeated alternatively and the specified order. So after the E figure we will be having a figure that will be the right answer. From the answer figure, that will be the figure 2 here. So that will be the right answer here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is your 41st question of the session, that what we have to discuss here. Here for the 41st figure, this is a problem figure, this is an answer figure. This has been asked in the BSRB question paper, and for that here this is an A figure, this is a B, this is C, this is D and this is E, and for that sake this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. The asterisk rotates 135 degree clockwise each time and moves to the lower left to the top right corner alternatively, and the other figure rotates 45 degree anti-clockwise and 90 degree clockwise, then 45 degree anti-clockwise and then 45 degree anti-clockwise and then 90 degree clockwise sequentially, and that moves up to the down along to the diagonal from the lower right to the upper left corner, and it also changes the shape which repeats in every third step. So in the regard of it, we'll be considering about the figure that will be having an option, that will be the first figure will be the right answer from the answer figure here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 42th question of the session. This is a problem figure here and this is an answer figure. In the terms of the problem figure, we have a circle, S, a rectangle and triangle, S, rectangle, a circle and arrow, C, S and circle, C, S, arrow and equals to and a circle, C and arrow, and in the answer figure we have a circle equal this arrow and multiply, and then C equals circle and multiply 0, and this is circle, C equal and of course multiply, circle multiply equal and C multiply arrow and equal. In the classified figure, so we'll name of the problem figure, that is A, B, C, D and E. For the answer figure we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the reverse towards it, so we can see that in one step the symbol in the lower right corner is replaced by the new one, and all the other symbols move clockwise, and in the next step The symbol in the lower left corner is replaced by a new one, and while the other symbols moves clockwise, the process repeats itself, and for that sake we will be having the answer. That is the answer. Figure 3 will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one. That is the 43rd question of the session, as you can see here, and the reference towards the 43rd question of the session that we have is the problem figure and the answer figure. This has been asked in the BSRB question paper. That is also an important one in respect to the competition wise. If I'm talking about, this is a problem figure A, this is B, C, D, E, and this is a answer figure 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course 5. In the terms, this has been asked in the BSRB question paper, as I told you about it. And in this, the pin rotates a 45-degree clockwise and 90-degree clockwise alternatively, while the arrow moves to steps and 1 steps anti-clockwise alternatively. So as you can see the figure, so where we'll go ahead with the option, that is the figure 3rd will be the right answer for this particular question here. Let's go ahead with the 44th question. This is a problem figure and this is an answer figure here. For the problem figure, we have this is an A figure, this is a B figure, 1 crosses, then C figure, then 2 crosses, D figure, 2 crosses, and 3 figure. That is your E crosses here. So in the answer here, that is the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 respectively. In each and every questions here, you have to understand in one of step, the circles comes out of the square and the symbols of the center gets replaced by the new one, and the process outside the main figure moves anti-clockwise direction. In this next step, the square comes out of the circle, the number of the crosses increases by 1 step of the process and moves anti-clockwise. So the 2 steps are repeated alternatively, and for that sake, after the E that we have your answer, that will be the answer figure, that will be the second figure will be the right answer here for the question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is your 45th question of the session here. This is a sort of a problem figures and this is an answer figure. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper here. So this is a figure A, this is B, C, D, and E. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course 5. So in the reference towards it, in one of the steps, the 2 lines are lost from the right hand side portion of the figure, and 1 line in the other to the left hand side portion. In the next step, the 1 line is lost from the right hand side figure here, and of the portion of the figure, and the 2 lines are added to the left hand side portion. The 2 steps are repeated alternatively, and for that sake, after the E figure we will be having an answer figure. That will be the second figure will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the 46th question of the session. This is a problem figure and this is an answer figure here. For the problem figure, this is of problem figure A, this is B, C, D, E. For the answer figure, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In respect to that, we have a shaded area while crossing into the 2 concentric circles here. In the regard of it here, that the figures rotate 135-degree anti-clockwise in each step, and for that sake, after the E that we have an 135 anti-clockwise direction, that we have a figure 2, and for that sake we will be having an answer 2, that is the figure 2 here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is the figure, that is your 47th question of the session here. That is a problem figure and an answer figure here as well. For this, we have a pins and this rotations has been taken. As you can see, this is an answer figure as well. For that sake, we have an A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in the terms of it, the one of the pins gets inverted in each steps, and for that sake we have an option that is after E that we will be having an answer, that is a figure 5 will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another question, that is your 48th question of the session here, and that is the last question of the session as well. And this is a problem figure here. This is a problem figure A, B, C, D, E, and for the answer figure here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This has been asked in the BSRB question paper, and that is also a very important question paper in reference to the competition wise here. So the outer arrows moves anti-clockwise and its heads get reversed in each step. So the dark rectangle also moves in the adjacent side in the anti-clockwise direction. So the inner triangle first move to the adjacent side and then to the opposite side. In the regard of it, we will go ahead with after 8 we will go ahead with the answer. That is your third figure will be the right answer for this question here. So let's end out with this session, and first of all, it's a huge request to all the subscriber, please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. As I told you, series में हम more than 1000 से ज़्यादा questions करेंगे, so that you have to be very clear about it and you have to be tuned with us. And in the regard of it, if I'm talking about for the sessions here, as I told you about, reasoning has been divided into two parts, that is the verbal reasoning and the non-verbal reasoning. The verbal reasoning, this is a general mental ability and a logic reasoning, जो कि general mental ability भी हम complete कर चुके हैं verbal reasoning का, और logic reasoning भी हम complete कर चुके हैं आपका verbal reasoning में. General mental ability की बात करती हूँ तो analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking, time sequence test, mathematical operation, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making. And then after that, if I'm talking about the decision making, then we had done data sufficiency as well. In the decision making, then we had assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement. In the logic reasoning, if I'm talking about the logic, we had completed statement argument, statement assumption, statement course of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from the passages, theme detection, question statement, and miscellaneous logical puzzle. That's what we had covered up. Now we had started with the non-verbal reasoning, जो कि हम पहला ही टॉपिक कर रहे हैं सीरीज. हमने बताया था आपको 1000 से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस है तो इसमें थोड़ा टाइम भी लगेगा. सो सीरीज करेंगे, उसके बाद एनालॉजी, देन क्लासिफिकेशन, एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग, मिरर इमेज, वाटर इमेज, एम्बेडेड फिगर, कंप्लीशन ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट पैटर्न्स, फिगर मैट्रिक्स, पेपर फोल्डिंग, पेपर कटिंग, रूल डिटेक्शंस, ग्रुपिंग ऑफ आइडेंटिकल फिगर्स, क्यूब्स एंड डाइज, डॉट सिचुएशन, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ स्क्वायर्स एंड ट्रायंगल, figure formation and analysis, and practice question paper. This comes under the non-verbal reasoning. So first of all, stay tuned with us and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well in the series, because it will cover up more than more than 1000 questions here. So this is very important, क्योंकि इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपके कंपटीशन में ज़्यादा पूछे जाते हैं, और उसके रेफरेंस में जितना ज़्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज़्यादा आपको अच्छे से क्लियर होगा, उतना ज़्यादा आपके डाउट भी क्लियर होंगे. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि जब नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग कंप्लीट कर देंगे, जो कि हम लोग वर्बल रीजनिंग ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग कंप्लीट करने के बाद जो कि 10 to 12 टॉपिक्स ही हैं, उसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू द सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू हैव टू बी ट्राई बाय योर ओन सेल्फ, देन आई विल बी लेट यू सॉल्व इट इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. And after that we'll start the mathematical that has been coming in the competition paper respect to the towards each and every individual question paper. So that we'll dealing with that as well. So please like, share and subscribe our channel, because your support is very important to us. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.